Hi, I'm Russ with ESPservice.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make and break the wire connections going to your lamp holder sockets. So I have two different types of lamp holder sockets right here. This is commonly used in light fixtures and tanning beds, if you will, and the wire connections are in the base down here where these you see there's 4 holes in this one here and there's 2 holes in that one there. So when you go to make the connection, this is for solid wire only, and this lamp holder accepts 18 gauge wire, so that's what I have here. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to just push the stripped wire. It's about like a 1/4 inch by 16ths stripped length, and I just take it and I just push it in there. That's it. Give it a tug, make sure that it doesn't come back out. It's kind of like a Chinese finger trap. It won't let the wire back out. So how do you pull it out? I have this tool here, but you could also just take a straightened paper clip. The tool works better, but you probably have one of these handy. So there's a little spot here adjacent to the wire, and you can just take the paper clip and stick it in there, and it's going to release the wire so easily, just like that. And then you take the paper clip out, and that's it. So on this type you see here, it's similar, where you go to make the connection and it won't pull back out, but where this one has a little slot on the side here, this one is a little groove down here, and you push that, push that, and the wire comes right out just the same. So that's how you easily make and break the wire connections on your lamp holder sockets. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click the bell for notifications.